it's Deanne Stevens. I'm here with Lisa Innenbach of 25 Again, where a better you begins inside. Lisa, what does that mean?
Well, we pride ourselves on changing the body chemistry inside so that you can actually lose that weight and keep it off, gain that energy. You're sleeping through the night. You're able to get out and do those things with your kids or your grandkids. As you start to age, you start to lose those vital hormones. And it's like not putting gas in your car. You need some gas. That's what'll get you going.
30 pounds in 30 days. Can we really do that?
I can't tell you how many times I've seen that in the past 10 years.
How does it work? What do? We start off by coming in, customized.
Yes, and now
work?
is the time. For just $99, which is normally $395, you're going to get 2 office appointments, lab work, a physical, and for the first 20 callers, we also going to throw in a free B12 shot for an entire year, 1 per month.
Check out what they can do for you by calling the number on your screen or online at 25again.com.